Are you looking for the best braising pans? In this video we will look at some of the best braising pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, La Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Braiser. This braiser has a great weight to it that holds heat evenly whether I am searing short ribs for a hearty stew in the winter, browning chicken skin for homemade chicken noodle soup, or making myself duck confit as a treat on my days off, says Thierry Perez, Director of Food and Beverage of Braiser in California, who grew up in France. It lends itself well to being able to reduce sauces and develop flavor consistently over a long period of time. This 3.5 quart braiser is made to last years, browning and evenly braising meat 20 years later as good as it did the day it was purchased. At number 2, Lodge 3.6 quart Enamel Cast Iron Casserole Dish with Lid. Lodge Enamel Cast Iron Casserole Braiser is a quality piece of equipment that is definitely wallet friendly. Like a La Creuset, the Lodge Braiser can withstand heat up to 500 degrees. It heats evenly, has good heat retention, and its glass surface does not react to ingredients or need seasoning. This also works on induction stovetops. This 3.6 quart enamel covered casserole is great for cooking, marinating, refrigeration and freezing. The color porcelain enamel on cast iron can be used on gas, electric, ceramic and induction cooktops, as well as in the oven, not recommended for use on outdoor grills or over open outdoor flames. Not for use in microwaves. Lodge color porcelain enamel on cast iron cookware is cast from molten iron in individual sand molds. The porcelain surface eliminates the need to season cast iron. The cast iron vessel has superior heat distribution and retention, evenly heating bottom side walls and even the lid. Tightly fitting lid seals in moisture. The excellent heat retention reduces the amount of energy needed for cooking. 2 layers of very hard, glossy porcelain enamel are chip resistant and easy to clean. Lid knob is oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The black rim on the pot is matte porcelain, not exposed cast iron. Hygienic porcelain enamel is non-reactive with food. Although dishwasher safe, hand washing with warm soapy water is recommended to preserve the cookware's original appearance. At number 3, FINEX 5 quart cast iron Dutch oven. A downside though is the cleaning and maintenance of a cast iron pan. It's a commitment. Luckily, this Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned for a non-stick surface that's ready to use right out of the box. It also has a thick iron base and sides that distribute heat evenly for consistent cooking temperatures. Cast iron braisers actually retain heat better than stainless steel, so they're great for soups, stews, jambalayas, and even baking bread due to their even heat, says Sam Marvin of Echo and Rig in Las Vegas. I like to use cast iron braisers on the stovetop for low and slow cooking, and typically stick to stainless steel in the oven. Performance in a classic 5 quart size Dutch oven. Heavyweight construction ensures even cooking heat retention and distribution on any stovetop. At number 4, Instant Pot Nova Black Stainless Steel 6QT 7-inch -1 one-touch multi-cooker. View on Best Buy. Lead a busy lifestyle and don't have time to wait for your meals to cook? Then an Instant Pot may be the best option for you. Though it is not technically a traditional braiser, you can give food a quick sear before adding any liquid and vegetables. Instant Pot's massive popularity is partly due to its pressure cooking function, which halves the amount of time it takes for most dishes. When used to braise, it yields tender and flavorful meat. The Duo Nova 6 quart model is not only a pressure cooker and braiser, it's also a slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, and yogurt maker. It has 14 different preset functions, making it easy for beginners to learn. There's also a variety of safety features like the easy-to-seal lid, a safety lock, and protection from overheating. Cooking with the most popular Instant Pot is even easier with the new Duo Nova multi-cooker. Its updated lid means you never again have to worry about whether or not you remembered to close the steam release valve, because the Duo Nova lid automatically seals it, locking all the flavors, nutrients and aromas in your meal and to release the steam faster. Just push the quick release button to let the pressure out. It also has a new progress indicator on its bright blue display so you always know what's happening inside, and 13 smart programs to help you start cooking whatever you want in a flash, with 4 different sizes, the most popular 6QT, as well as the 3QT, 8QT, and the massive new 10QT. The Duo Nova family of multi-cookers is perfect for both large and small families, making everything from a quick side dish to whipping up big batches of prepared meals for the week. The Duo Nova is 7 appliances in one. At number 5, all Clad stainless steel French Braiser. This stainless steel Braiser from beloved brand All Clad is geared towards household cooks and restaurant chefs alike. Rather than enameled cast iron, it is made with 3-ply bonded stainless steel around an aluminium core for evenly heating your food. The benefit of stainless steel is that you can get a really great sear on the meat, says Quart. This French Braiser can contain a large amount of food within its 6-quart capacity and domed cooking lid. It also comes with a rack and has a wide cooking surface and high sides, which makes for less splattering. Like other Braisers, this one is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees, and induction stovetop compatible. Crafted to deliver the latest enameled cast iron innovations with the added space and capability of Le Creuset's classic oval ovens, the signature collection oval French oven is ideal for preparing large one-pot meals, whole fish fillets or even rack of ribs. Handcrafted one at a time inside our Fresnoy Grand Foundry for nearly a century, Le Creuset French ovens have been a fixture in homes around the world for generations. Their enduring quality, wide-ranging versatility and stylish colors have made them indispensable in the kitchen and cherished around the table. At number 6, Le Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron Oval Dutch Oven. This is one of my cooking secrets. I will make double batches of what I'm cooking and freeze them so I only have to cook once, says Quart of her pot pick. The beauty of the extra space of a Dutch oven is that you can cook more in it, meaning you can double recipes, cook large cuts of meat, make soups, stocks, grains, etc. It can withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees and has the impeccable heat distribution and retention that Le Creuset is famed for. Its tight-fitting braising lid helps your food retain moisture and come out super juicy and tender. Crafted to deliver the latest enameled cast iron innovations with the added space and capability of Le Creuset's classic oval ovens, the signature collection oval French oven is ideal for preparing large one-pot meals, whole fish fillets or even rack of ribs. Handcrafted one at a time inside our Fresnoy Grand Foundry for nearly a century, Le Creuset French ovens have been a fixture in homes around the world for generations. Their enduring quality, wide-ranging versatility and stylish colors have made them indispensable in the kitchen and cherished around the table.